Hello everyone and welcome back to Soul for Hobbies music lesson. Yay! Um Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Soul for Hobby channel. Welcome if you are returning for entertainment. Welcome. Thank you for staying with me, and I'm your host Lisa, and today video we will learn how to read the lines and space in music. If you're interested, then let's get started. Now, to read music, you have to have a basic understanding of how it's read. So in today's video, we'll learn about the lines and spaces in music. So here are the lines. There are 5 lines. You have every good boy does fine. You have E on the first, second line is G, third line is B, fourth line is D, top line is F. You can memorize it by saying every good boy does fine. These are the lines. You have, I'll point them out to you. E, G, B, D, and F. This circle means it's a letter. In music terms, this is how you read the music. Now for the space, there are 4 spaces. You have F, A, C, E. You can remember that as space. The bottom space is F. The second space is A. Third space is C. The top space is E. To read it in between, you have a line, space, line, space, line, space, line, space. So this one would be F, A, C, E in this order. It would not make sense if you say it backwards or anything else, but to keep it simple and to memorize it easier when you read your notes for the first time, this is how you read the lines and spaces. Today's lesson is lesson 15, reading symbols and music theories. So if you want to learn about this video, you can stay to the end and watch it and rewatch it again to say, hey, I learned how to read music. So how cool is that? You can learn how to read it and have fun with it. And yeah. Anyway, let's go over it one more time. Every good boy does fine. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Every good boy does fine. Those are the lines. Now for the space, F, A, C, E. And that's very simple. You can memorize it as space. Or you can make up a, I guess you can say fine, always, cow, eat. But that don't make any sense. So I would just stick to face. In this order. In that order. E, G, B, D, F, F, A, C, E. For space, 5 lines. For today's lesson is all about reading the lines and spaces. And there you have it. Enjoy this video, everybody. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you want to see more videos like this and other craft videos, stay tuned. And I'll be posting later on next week, and we'll see what happens. So thank you so much for subscribing, liking. If you want to hit that notification bell, you may do so. And that's it. That's for today's lesson. You learned how to read lines and music and spaces. Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F, F, A, C, E, face. That's it. line is this bottom, this line is the straight line. Well, you know what a line is. So that's your line. And the space would be in between the lines, that blank space. And there's your line, space, line, space, line, space. To be easy read, line, space, line, space, line, space, line. And the top note is a space. E is always on the top note is space. So you have F, A, C, E, and then so forth. These are the basic notes that you'll see in music. Well, good luck to you, and I hope you find this video helpful. Give me a good thumbs up. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to, read the description boxes to see what type of videos that these are all about. You'll find more information. All right, thanks everybody. Have a good day.